ओके, हाउ आर यू ऑल। अब ये वाले इसमें मेरा ठीक है वॉइस कि और कुछ करना है? संडे के दिन आ जाए तो लेट स्टार्ट टुडे। अगर आपका कोई भी डाउट है रिलेटेड टू यूएक्स डिज़ाइन प्लीज़ पूछो, मैं कमेंट में उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करूँगा। ओके, तो वी ब्रिंग अवर डिज़ाइन बैक। Hi guys, is there any question related to UX design? Please ask me and I will try to help you all to get inspiration. And I have done much here in my UX design journey. Think nobody come yet, but let's see who will come and watch us. Is there any question related to UX design? Please ask me. ये पब्लिक है कि नहीं यार? Okay guys, is there any question related to UX design? Please ask me and I will try to help you all. Or secondly, I have done much project in this sector in UX design field. So, and I have created beginner friendly script for you all to get inspiration and how you can start doing this section. Okay, and please uh, put anything in the chat section that you're where you from and you want to know about the UX design. So I already have 5 years of experience in this design field of UX design and doing much project. You can see my live project and portfolio in your in my live session. So you can see my designs and all. And please ask your question if you have any confusion or doubt in this field, and I will try to help you all. So this project has started last week and all. Last week, no, last 2 week ago. So I have designed this one for our client, not for client because I am doing job. So the company's client, right? So they want to make a project like car washing and additional service provider to the customer, and they will deliver the employee to them, right? And secondly, there should be additional package and all. The basic amount for 199 is car wash, but additionally they will give a free inspection, which is free, and then category which comes. If you want to go inside the category, you will see the interior check, oil check, is up like that, and additional service and all. But this is the dummy section, not have very clarity, but you can just watch and see. If anyone click just oil check, then the second page will be like this. But if you are in design sector, UX design sector, and you have beginner, so I can guide you how you can start, because this is the real project, right? And currently I have sorry, I already developed many project which is already live and functioning. You can see many project of like Nexify is already live in Delhi sector, Delhi North India sector. There is live, like competitor of kind of Ola, Uber, but not like that. The service center want a driver, so Nexify is providing driver for their employee and all. So अगर आप is if you are new in this live session, please write your name in the comment section, and please hit the like and subscribe for more great content, or ask your questions. Okay, so I have created this beginner friendly list for you all. So how can you start if you're new here in this industry of UX design? So you can, firstly you have to clear your basic understanding of what is UI and what is UX. First, you have to know about UI. UI is very basic. You can you can say anything like which you see, which you visually feel anything. It's called UI, right? Like buttons, colors, spacing, and all. It's come under the look, so it's called UI. But when you know how this functioning, why they have created this one, so it's called UX. Like the process of calling the scenario is called UX. Okay. And secondly, the research and get inspiration. You know the basic concept of UI UX, right? But you also have to know how I can get the search at the research, and how can I get inspired to design anything, or which you got an project and all. So you can, if you are a beginner, you I recommended you to just to watch a creators who already in this field, or follow the trend as per the current situation. But you can't create like that, because you are a beginner. So if you want to design something, you have to know the basic about Figma, because in this field you have some any tools to design UI. So the Figma is very easy and very common. So, and the you can't design very modern, because you don't know the principles and all. So but start with the basic things and all. And you, at the time of beginning, you don't know the how I get inspiration, how I can get resource and all. But basically you can start with your own app, or YouTube or Facebook. I recommended you the Instagram is very easy to develop. Anyone can design the Instagram theme page and all. And second thing is that you can upgrade yourself by continuous following of creator, any creator, because the creators are following the trend. Is there anything launch, the creator just suddenly publish and miss publish very fastly and all. So if you are new in this live session, please ask a question related to UI design. I will try to help you all. This is my question. And secondly, if you got a project, right, but you have to solve that problem. So first you have to know what is the problem, then you can bring the solution. I am also doing like that. The clients and our bosses is called, this is the problem, and or this we want to build a business in this sector. So we are totally just okay, you want this to make a design and all. So we ask necessary question which is required in to develop the design and all. And uh, I recommended you all to just go with which is common, like the search section is common, the button nav bar. Don't make, if you are new in this sector, just make a replicate or similar to any other app, because it will be easy and get inspired. Okay, then you can, you got the problem and you visually know how I should create a design, so you will understand. And then sketch and studio idea basic, like basic wireframe you have to know. Sorry, you have to design. If you got any problem and they said you to make a solution on it, so you just roughly design anything which you understand and which you want to give a visually solution to their problem. अगर मुझे लगता है कि मेरे को हिंदी में ही करना है तो वो थोड़ा और इजी हो जाएगा, लेकिन इंग्लिश में ट्राई कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि ऑडियंस अगर दूसरी रही तो। लर्न एंड यूज़ द बिगिनर फ्रेंडली टूल्स। We understand that we have to know the why, we have to design somewhere, right? So the Figma tool is it easy and you can easily create anything in Figma if the project is like app or software or landing page or all. You can't do any graphics and video editing in this field, so the tools of Figma is for UI designer only. Gather feedback early. If you are beginner, right, so you want a feedback. Why? Because you already in beginner and you develop something, you design something, so you can ask from your nearby friends, team member, how it is and how this called, how this design look like, so it will be easy. Got it? Why? Because they will give a real time feedback. Or additionally, if you have any designer friend, so you can ask with them. Or mostly you should ask with unknown person, they will give honest review and feedback. Okay, then gather feedback early. Okay, focus on simplicity and acceptability. क्लैरिटी में उतना वो नहीं रहता है, लेकिन आपको सिंप्लिसिटी में बहुत ध्यान देना है, एक्सेसिबिलिटी में रहना चाहिए, बिकॉज एवरी वन नो वाई दे शुड डाउनलोड योर ऐप और वेबसाइट, बिकॉज दे वांट टू यूज़. सो if there is no use, no guidance, no navigation there, that they will frustrate and shut down your app and all. But if you design your app and section very accessibility and simplicity, they love to use that. Okay, for example, Instagram, we know the tab menu for home section is for feed, right? But the second option for search and third option for upload your content and reels and all, so that functionally very simple and the very accessible, anyone can use and use that section for, they know. And we already use many years Instagram, like 4 5 years already we are using, right? So we understand. But you are designing a new app or website, so the concept is that you only make a common things, right? They said to make a competitor of Instagram, so similar to the Instagram you have to make, because everyone very already using, so not clutter and all. So you should always make your design very simple and accessible. The use color, text, button, contrast, and so close design should be similar to any other app. And accessibility basic always bit avoid the text size and all, because it should not go minimum, not go above. Every phone size and laptop size have different, so you can design like that. And there should be a 8 or 9 section. Document your work means in this section of UI UX design, document your work is very necessary. Why? Because you know something and they said to design like that and all. You should always show your effort. Why? Because how you research, how you find out the problem, how you bring solution. And for example, you got a project of like car service and all. So they give a problem, right? So your role is to bring a solution in the UI field. So you first go your website and research and bring something. So screenshot all and then create a new tab and bring your research and all, competitor research and all, right? I already designing this section. So I bring make the competitor research for showing my mm, footprint and all. They are just loading. After the loading, they will appear. How I research, how I bring the content, how I bring the solution, like that. You should always show your effort and all. Like document your work is very necessary in UX field because you know how to upgrade yourself and all. This is landing page and similar to and all. Okay. And fourthly is that ninth section is that very helpful for you. Just join any community or keep learning every time. Upgrade yourself continuously. Why join a community? Because if you are a beginner and you completely don't know how you can become a pro in UI design, so it's very easy to join any community or j- just follow your competitor and all. Competitor sorry, competitor, you have to follow your creator because creator know every trend and all. Okay. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब बटन and ask your question related to UX design. I will try to help you all. Okay. And ठीक है, अब थियरी तो हो गई, अब मैं प्रैक्टिकल बताता हूँ कैसे करना है. भी मुझे ये रिमाइंडर का ही डिज़ाइन करके दिखा देता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि इसमें ऑलरेडी मुझे करना था. एक सेकेंड. Keyboard is not functioning. Why? I don't know. तो ये काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा है यार? कीबोर्ड ही काम नहीं कर रहा है यार. आई थिंक सेल इसका वो हो गया, वायरलेस है इसलिए सेल इसका डाउन हो गया शायद. चलो अब लाइव सीज़न ख़त्म करता हूँ और डिज़ाइन बना के दिख करता हूँ. इसको जो भी मिलता है this. Okay, let's shut down our live session. Nobody came and nobody just like and right. ठीक है. शट डाउनिंग ये चल क्यों नहीं रहा शॉर्ट्स में यार.